Hi friends, so this is Pradeep here on another video. So actually I just came to the service center to do the first service. So you can see at the back there is my bike which has been already taken and I'm just waiting. Another update is that they have received the parts of the radiator and the pipe, the hose pipe. So they are gonna replace it also along with this service. So yeah, so the work is going on. So I'm just waiting. So I'll keep you updated, guys. Once I get my vehicle, what is the service cost and what they have done, what they have changed, another warranty, all the details. I'll keep you updated. Okay. So just stay tuned and watch the video fully so that you'll have a better idea. First service is done. Almost first service, they have changed completely the oil. Okay, so the service cost for the first service is like 1652 rupees is what it costed me. Okay, so 1652 rupees is what they costed. I'll give you the exact price list of each and everything at the top. You can have a look here. So if you see, they are using liquid gun semi-synthetic 10W40. That's what the oil, and for that is the biggest cost. It cost me around 1071 rupees for that. And other than that, if you see the chain lube and kit, for that they charge me 200. And RE sealant, the sealant which it gets covered on all the parts, right? Once you change the engine oil, for that it cost me around 14 rupees. And first service kit, they have something called first service kit that cost you around 250 rupees. And other than that, they have like general consumable charges, it's like 118 rupees. Okay, so if you calculate overall, it comes around 1652 rupees. So the service was good. After the first service, the bike is very awesome. It has become more smooth, more torquey. I feel like a different, not fully different, but the engine got refined a bit more. To do any service in Himalayan, the main thing that you have to do is first you have to remove the fuel tank. Only if you remove the fuel tank, you will get access to all this area. Okay, so beneath the fuel tank, you have the air filter. Yeah, they have cleaned the air filter. They have changed the engine oil filter. They changed complete the full engine oil has been completely changed, and also they have made some tights on all these loosened bolts, and they sprayed and they checked the wheel alignment, because I told them specifically to check for wheel alignment. They said it's fine, because you guys might have known I have been hit by a biggest rod in the highways. In case if you missed that video, I'll give you the card above, you can go and check that. And also the chain adjustment has been done, that has been taken care. So yeah, pretty much that is on the first service end. Another thing what they did for me especially is my radiator had a oil leakage over here. Okay, so that time if you see the pipe, the bent pipe here, right? It was placed at this location down. Okay, now what they did is they have closened the bent pipe to the edge. Okay, they have tightened it very good, and they have also tightened this knob. And after the first service, I rode around like 40 to 50 kilometers. Still now no issues. And also they have changed the whole radiator unit. Okay, they have removed it, and this is a brand new unit here. Okay, so that's a good thing from RE. So they have removed the whole radiator unit. I saw the radiator unit, but unfortunately I am not allowed to put the post of this radiator, how it looks like inside. But I'm planning to change this radiator guard. So once I remove it, I'll take a close-up video and I'll post you how it looks. Okay, but unfortunately the full radiator piece that they removed it. I took a photo, but they said I'm not allowed to post in any social media. Okay, so I respect that, so I'm not going to post it full radiator in any social media. In case in future, after the parts gets available, in case if you want to see, you guys can see it. but pretty much they did a good freeze water wash, and I hope the issue will not come back again. And kudos to Ari to looking into this and getting the parts soon and trying to fix it within a week. And also they have topped up the uh, coolant oil. The coolant oil comes adjacent to that side is where you will have the coolant oil. So yeah, let me see, I'll show you, because here it's fully packed in my house, so I'm not able to see. This is where you will have the secondary tank of the coolant oil. Okay, so and the service indicator has been also switched off. In case if you don't know, I'll post a shorts video on that soon, probably by today or by tomorrow. I'll post a shorts video on that. My problem with Himalayan 450 has been solved for now, so I hope the issue will not come back again. And I'm planning to upgrade its accessories. I've ordered a few genuine accessories, and as well as I'm looking to add a crash guard and a engine bash plate and a front headlight grill. So I have plans for that, and all the videos are going to be coming soon in my channel. So I hope if you like it, like it. If you not, give me a thumbs down, and stay tuned for more videos on Himalayan 450. And also there are so many plans on off-road trips and trips. So stay tuned to my channel. Hit that subscribe button hard, and I'll meet you in another video. Until then, you be safe, take care of your bike, and always remember there is someone waiting in our home. Keep that in mind and drive safe, guys. I'll meet you in another video. Bye.